This school year has been filled with multitude of ups and downs, and through it all, you've been there to guide us, just as the wind guides the sail. Your unwavering spirit given us
and love for teaching have not only given us knowledge, but also values and life skills that we will keep forever. 4 years to come, you're able
before. This year has truly been an emotional roller coaster, with lots of sweet, bitter, and bittersweet moments shared. It was an emotional exercise for many, wherein what we thought was impossible did become possible. Together, just what Mrs. Daisy Vasquez said, we've demonstrated resilience, and we must keep on demonstrating resilience, adaptability, and the power of unity to thrive. As we step into the future, let's carry these lessons with us, armed with courage and determination. Let's embrace the opportunities that lie ahead, for they are the building blocks of our dreams. Remember that each step